First, from this thermocol piece, I am constructing two right angles. One will be presented as y-axis, one will be presented as x-axis. After drawing the lines, these two lines, I am going to cut it. After cutting, I will show you how it is looking. So I have already cut into piece. Not only that, I have pasted some paper also so that I can draw the lines properly. So the horizontal line, that is x-axis, on the x-axis I am marking the numbers 1, 2, 3, that is positive x-axis numbers. Now negative x-axis direction, the numbers are -1, -2, -3, -4. This way I am writing. Similarly, on the y-axis direction, I am writing the names of the points, that is 1, 2 and 3. And here, I will draw the two arrows as it is presenting the number line. This way. So, this way it looks like. So, now almost my model is completed. Now see how I am going to prove root 2 on the number line. So the distance I can take from origin, horizontal distance 1 unit and vertical distance 1 unit, and distance between point 1 on horizontal axis and point 1 on vertical axis gives the value root 2. Distance between the red and yellow pin presents root 2 on the x-axis. What you feel, how the model is, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.